Alright, we got some protesters here outside of the church, Guadalajara. We are in Centro Guadalajara down here. I wouldn't call them protesters. I think they're having a vigil or something. It is for the death of, I think his name is Alexandra Gobel. From what I can gather, he was killed while protesting. At least he was. I think some other things are going on here, but he was killed while he was trying to report, or he was a human rights activist, and he was killed in opposition to his stance on, I guess, an emissions policy that Jalisco has. I'm assuming, it's hard to tell because I'm reading Spanish, but I'm assuming it's emissions as in car emissions. I'm not really sure. If you have more information, you can look. I'll put it down in the description. I'll definitely research more when I get home and put up this video. But as of right now, I think that's what they're talking about. This seems to be talking about fraudulent medications in Jalisco. So I think there's several things going on right here. No fraudulent electoral, it's saying. There's just a lot. These are papers that have been copied and printed, it looks like from children. Gracias.
¿Puedo opinar por escrito?
Here you go. So, yeah, definitely, I'm just trying to bring some light to it. I'll have a better discussion on it down in the description. We are out here in Centro Guadalajara. And this is the second vigil / protest I've seen today out here. I mean, tomorrow is Saturday. Today is Friday, so. And a couple days ago was Revolution Day. But I've been out here for a long time, and I've also been out here several times over the last couple of years. And I haven't seen this, so I'm interested to find more about it. Thanks for watching. Did you find your liquor?
Yeah, it was more than I thought it was going to be.
Sticker shock out here in Mexico.
$37.50. Supposedly the best tequila in the world.
Alright, so where we're at? I mean, $37.50 is not bad. We're in Centro, right? And what is this? This is the the Guadalajara Cathedral over there. This is what?
Salida de Armas train station.
Oh, this is the Plaza de Armas train station. Salida Plaza de Armas train station. And this is Liverpool, which is a Belt, great, a department store. What about this? This is the public.
That's the old government.
This is a government building, right?
Yeah.
Gubernatorial building. And look, here's the umbrellas. Awesome. Let's go see them. Anyway, thank you for watching. Oop, let's not get run over. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, maybe it's not umbrellas, but it's cool, whatever it is. pretty neat. Somebody made it. Can you imagine having to work on this thing? The gentleman's got some duckies on his head. This guy's selling some. Oh, he made these. Very cool. He made them with pipe cleaners, it looks like. Got out here. Thanks for watching.